This instrumental piece is designed to create a colorful, whimsical atmosphere perfect for a children's story.
Welcome to the Color Carnival. Let's start the magic. It's going to be colorful and fun. Roar and spin. Let's begin. Red apples grow with a mighty grin. With a trumpet and a twirl of blue, I paint the sky a peaceful hue. Leaves and grass, tall and lean, let's fill the world with magic green. Quack and shine, the sun is bright. Yellow beams bring joy and light. Waddle and swirl with purple cheer. A balloon of sparkle will appear. Wiggly arms and lots of charm. Orange bursts bring party alarm. Soft and light, cold and bright, I cover the ground in fluffy white. From my hat so round and black, magic surprises leap right back. Moo and paint the racing ground with splashes of brown all around. Colors swirl and hearts unite. Rainbow magic shines so bright.
This instrumental piece is designed to create a colorful, whimsical atmosphere perfect for a children's story. The arrangement features a lively combination of bow strings, cheerful, and light percussion to the Edersco. Percussion to the city, a joy of it keeps the energy high while dynamic swells mimic the feeling of discovery. The piece layers playful melodies with contrast here, moving between soft magical moments and bursts of vibrant excitement, capturing the wonder of a color-filled adventure.
Hello friends, thanks for watching.
Peppy animals, let's sing and play and learn it all. Animals.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and comment a heart.